let me ask you a question.
Do you understand English?
Because even if the answer is yes, the minute you land in this English-speaking country,
You feel like you don't.
you do not. This is Ireland, a unique country where the locals have some of the thickest accents in English that we have ever heard.
You're acting the bleeding maggot with me now, I'm telling you.
Something as simple as what's up, people say,
What's a crack?
how are you?
How are you, bud?
And full sentences become really hard to understand.
I need to go to the sunbed shop.
What?
Sunbed.
Mind you, all of this is considered English here in Ireland.
Why can't you understand us?
In this country, you need to pay full attention to every word they say to understand them.
But go for a pint of Guinness.
And if you don't, it's okay. Just get a pint of beer, a friend or two, and have a mighty good time in the country of Ireland.
Welcome to Ireland! That's what
YouTube, if you like this video, then I think you're gonna love NAS Academy. It's a new online school we just started to give you a voice. Yes, making videos has given me a voice. And with this voice, you can reach millions of people on the internet. Tell them stories that you care about and actually change their opinion. This skill of making videos changed my life and I think it can change yours.